Today I'll explain to everyone assembly instructions for screw lifts. According to the applicable plan, all screw lift parts listed on the order. Perform a pre-assembly verification. Firstly, locate the reference position on the drive end. Put this gearbox in this position firstly. Before installation, pre-tighten this bolt. Do not Loctite. Step 2. Firstly, confirm the position of the steering gear. Rotational orientation of the gearbox. This one needs to be turned clockwise. However, its output end rotates counterclockwise. Then the one on the right. This direction is opposite to the one on the left. If this input side is clockwise, the output side rotates toward this position. There are for screw lifts, left. The lifting direction of these for screw lifts. It is also the opposite. When rotating clockwise, the lead screw moves upward. Another point is when rotating clockwise, the lead screw is oriented downward. These two on either side and the one in the middle. When pairing combinations, it must choose options that are opposite to achieve a state of synchronization. Pre-tighten all bolt heads, but do not over-tighten them. The first step has already installed the screw lift and the gearbox assembly. It is basically pre-installed and ready to go. Now we need to confirm the requirement for vertical movement and rotational direction. Rotate the center gearbox clockwise. It's axial. The operating mode is also clockwise. This screw lift over here, rotate its input shaft. The top flange rotates clockwise. The input end rotates counterclockwise. This is correct. One must be right side up and one must be inside out. This one rotates clockwise. The flange on top also rotates clockwise. This rotates counterclockwise. The rotation of these two units should be one clockwise and one counterclockwise. These two are also one positive and one negative. Now basically the rotation direction of its lift mechanism is. It's basically correct. Next steps. The screw lift must be connected to its top flange. This landline board need to be pre-installing. Ensure the base plate is on the same platform. It's best to have leveling blocks. Then based on the formation of the zero position, pre-locking in progress, not pre-locking. The next step is to place it at the diagonal position. Perform pre-lock, pre-lock. Now adjust the last corner. Perform pre-lock. At this point, it is not advisable to remove the control block. Use a height gauge. Measure the center of this input port. This height, tap each point once. Draw a circle with 4 points. Check for any height difference. After the general pre-installation is completed, this error is approximately 0.1. After the lock acquisition is complete, use this level to calibrate. A spirit level or leveling gauge will do. Note, this section slightly off. If the spirit level shows any deviation, adjust this input port option to detect its location in the middle. Pre-installation complete. The level is acceptable. Then perform 4-point synchronization. Calibrate using a spirit level. That pretty much wraps it up. After the screw lift has been leveled and adjusted into position, install the coupling to the connecting rod. When installing the coupling, the screw lift has been calibrated. Try to keep it as close to its original state as possible. Do not move the position. When installing the coupling, install in the center position and spread out toward both sides. Finally, connect the coupling to the screw lift. Perform an installation. After all connecting rods and couplings have been pre-assembled, proceed with the following steps. Installation of the screw lift mechanism coupling. Note that the lift should not be repositioned at this time. When the final step lift should not be repositioned, tighten the coupling on the lifting end. After tightening is complete, use a level to check for positions. Perform a verification at the middle level. The installation steps for the screw lift have now been covered. After completion, perform a power-on test. Test run with empty vehicle. Note, motor speed is required before startup. Set the manual mode to the lowest speed. Do not run at excessive speeds when operating without load. After entering the test run and confirming normal operation, no abnormal conditions, the speed can be adjusted to this parameter for use. No noise can be considered well assembled. Finally, regarding the error in this screw lift, you must ensure accuracy within plus or minus 0.02. If the tabletop dimensions, the largest size available, the top is a through hole. If the flange has threaded holes, a base plate is required, machined into a U-shaped hole for easy assembly. This is a tutorial for one of our high precision series lifts. This screw lift operates at a maximum speed of, it can reach 120 mm per second.